Hi Sarah, today I thought we could practice pronouncing the English alphabets.
Sounds like a great idea, John. Let's get started.
Perfect. Let's begin with the letter A. It's pronounced like I, as in apple.
Got it, A is for apple. Now, how about B?
B is pronounced as B, like in ball.
Okay, B for ball. What about C?
C sounds like C, as in cat.
Great, C for cat. How about D?
D is D, like in dog.
D for dog. What's next?
Let's move on to E. It's pronounced as EE, like in elephant.
Got it, E for elephant. And F?
F is F, as in fish.
F for fish. What about G?
G is pronounced G, like in giraffe.
G for giraffe. Now, H.
H sounds like H, as in hat.
H for hat. And I.
I is I, as in ice cream.
I for ice cream. How about J?
J is J, like in jacket.
J for jacket. What's next?
Let's go with K. It's K, as in kite.
K for kite. And L.
L is L, like in lion.
L for lion. What about M?
M is M, as in moon.
M for moon. Now, N.
N is N, like in nest.
N for nest. How about O?
O is O, as in orange.
O for orange. And P.
P is P, like in pencil.
P for pencil. What's next?
Let's move on to Q. It's Q, like in queen.
Q for queen. And R.
R is AR, as in rabbit.
R for rabbit. How about S?
S is S, like in snake.
S for snake. What's next?
Let's practice T. It's T, as in tiger.
T for tiger. And U.
U is U, like in unicorn.
U for unicorn. How about V?
V is V, as in volcano.
V for volcano. What's next?
Let's do W. It's W, like in wagon.
W for wagon. And X.
X is X, as in xylophone.
X for xylophone. What about Y?
Y is Y, like in yellow.
Y for yellow. Finally, Z.
Z is Z, as in zebra.
Z for zebra. Great job, John. Thanks for helping me practice the English alphabet.
You're welcome, Sarah. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better at it.